All kinds of research has been done to show that the foods that you eat can actually contribute to your complexion. So let's talk about some foods that can help keep your complexion clear and flawless. Let's talk about kale. Kale has high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin. These are both antioxidants that go around and absorb or soak up the free radical damage that happens when ultraviolet or UV rays from the sun hits our skin. So these are going to actually reverse sun damage when you eat a lot of kale. Also, kale contains over 100% of your daily recommended amounts of vitamin C and vitamin A. Both are very important in anti-aging of your skin. You want enough vitamin C and vitamin A in your skin to keep your collagen, that's keeping your skin turgor, texture, and tone, healthy and strong. The next thing we're going to talk about is water. Everybody knows that you want to drink about 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body healthy. But did you know it also helps keep your skin hydrated? The importance of water is not only to flush out toxins in your body and to keep your skin looking plump and healthy, but also it replaces your cravings to drink things that have sugar in them, like fruit juices, sodas, things like that. So the more water you can drink, the better. Soy is found in soybeans or tofu. Soy keeps your collagen from breaking down in your skin. So none of us want our collagen to break down because that's when our skin starts to sag. Soy also is high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is important to keep your skin from scarring. So if you have a problem with acne or any other reasons for your skin getting scars, you want to make sure to eat enough vitamin E in your diet every day. So eating tofu or some other food with a high content of vitamin E is important to prevent scarring. One thing you want to think about when you're eating, if you have any tendency towards acne, is dairy. The problem with dairy is that it is highly inflammatory. Also, when you eat something that has dairy in it, if it's not organic, it means that they've given the cows hormones to help the cows make more milk. The hormones are then in the milk that you drink, and when you drink hormones, they go into your own bloodstream and throw your own hormones out of whack. When our hormones get out of whack, that's when we get acne, we get discoloration of our skin, something called melasma, and we get all sorts of problems. So when you're drinking your morning coffee or tea, or when you're having your whole grain cereal or your oatmeal, I would recommend using either organic dairy or skipping dairy altogether and doing almond milk or soy milk. So soy milk and almond milk, these are both replacements for regular milk. And basically these also give you extra protein, and soy milk has antioxidants as well. So if you have a problem where you're losing your hair is thinning, it's not growing very long, you want to look at your diet, make sure you have enough protein, and this is a good source of protein. Excess sugar in our diet can make our skin go out of whack. So one thing you want to think about in terms of your diet is to eat a low glycemic index. Glycemic index is a fancy way for saying sugar, the amount of sugar you eat. I would avoid anything with starches like potatoes, breads, things like that, pastas, and instead go towards things with a low glycemic index like beans, peas. A good example of a food with low glycemic index are chickpeas or garbanzo beans. And I like to eat these as a snack. They also are a high source of fiber and protein. Fiber is good because it throws off the excess sugar in our blood. It takes longer to digest, and so it also lowers your glycemic index more. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. So omega fatty acids are found in high concentrations in things like salmon. I cooked this yesterday, so it doesn't look all that appealing right now, but salmon is high in protein and high in omega-3s. Omega-3s are antioxidants. So anything that's an antioxidant, that's basically a way of saying it's going to go into your body and neutralize something called free radicals. Free radicals are swimming around our bloodstream and basically damaging our cells. So they're causing premature aging, tendencies towards different cancers. So the more antioxidants you can eat, like omega-3 fatty acids, the better. Next, we are going to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart, which is chocolate. Dark chocolate is important. Dark chocolate has flavonols in it, or cocoa flavonols. These boost circulation to parts of your skin, the blood flow, which boosts oxygen and nutrients getting to different parts of your skin, keeping it looking healthy and young. One study found that women who ate about an ounce a day of dark chocolate noticed less skin roughness and scaliness than women who didn't. And again, this is likely due to the increased blood supply, blood flow, and circulation to the skin, so it keeps the skin healthier looking. Studies have looked at over 1,000 women and have shown that eating 2 teaspoons of olive oil a day will keep your skin looking healthy and actually yields less wrinkles than people who don't eat more than a teaspoon of olive oil a day. The reason for that is because 75% of the fat in olive oil is monounsaturated fat. Monounsaturated fat keeps your skin looking youthful and glowing. Olive oil also has potent polyphenols, which are antioxidants, and this could quench those damaging free radicals that are going around in your bloodstream. So again, eat at least 2 teaspoons of olive oil every day to keep your skin looking healthy and with as few wrinkles as possible. Instead of reaching for a bagel with jelly in the morning when you wake up, instead reach for some oatmeal. Elevated sugars, like you would have if you were to eat a bagel or a non-whole grain cereal, cause your androgens or your hormones to go out of control. Androgens, excess androgens like testosterone in your bloodstream, cause your oil glands in your skin to make more oil. Your oil glands or your sebaceous glands making more oil causes acne. So anything that you can eat to lower your glycemic load or your sugar in your blood is going to help prevent acne as well as aging. So oatmeal is a great choice to eat in the morning. And again, you can mix this with almond milk instead of regular milk for more protein and the non-dairy anti-inflammatory effects of soy milk or almond milk. Another important fruit to choose for your diet every day is kiwi. Who knew that such a little fruit could pack such a wallop of vitamin C? Vitamin C is important because it is involved in stimulating collagen growth in your skin. One little kiwi packs over 100% of your daily recommended dose of vitamin C. Research has also shown that diets high in vitamin C are associated with less skin dryness and wrinkling. So eat a kiwi a day.